Hi everyone, welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Buckle up as we unravel the chaos on the road. Let's get started. That white truck driver must have been dreaming behind the wheel. Wow, that was quite a spectacular dodge. Thanks to a sudden brake, the cargo tie-downs gave way, and that poor van took the brunt of it. It's like the cargo was saying, "Surprise, I'm free." Talk about a bumpy ride. That guy in the red hat must have some divine luck on his side. He instinctively dodged a life-threatening situation just in the nick of time. It's like the gods were whispering in his ear, "Now." What a coincidence. The driver of that white sedan crashed right into the car ahead, and guess who was right there? A traffic cop on patrol. Talk about bad timing. It's like a scene straight out of a sitcom. Wow, these tires seem to have their own personalities and smarts, don't they? Wow, the motorcycle's mirror just pulled off a heroic save for its rider. The sedan driver hit the road in a state of tipsy enthusiasm. Let's just say they were more wobbly than well-behaved. This woman took the wheel after a little too much liquid courage, and when the cops checked, her breathalyzer read a staggering 190 milligrams 100 milli. Talk about exceeding the limit in style. That pickup truck thought it could take on the big rig, but guess who ended up with the bruises? Yep, the little guy always gets the short end of the stick. That excavator was one lucky machine, managing to stay balanced just when the road decided to take a nosedive. Talk about a thrilling balancing act. The owner of that vehicle must be in total shock after narrowly escaping a nasty collision. No wonder he had to pull over to the emergency lane to catch his breath. Talk about a close call. Wow, that tire must be pumped up to the max. That red truck really overstepped its bounds, veering into oncoming traffic around that corner. Unsecured cargo took a tumble, scattering all over the road. It's like a surprise delivery of chaos. Guess someone forgot the tie-downs. The truck driver had a slow-motion reaction. The sedan suddenly burst into flames while on the move. Talk about a fiery surprise. Luckily, the rescue team swooped in like superheroes to put out the flames. Talk about a hot mess saved in the nick of time. truck suddenly switched lanes without signaling, leaving the cars behind in a total state of surprise, surprise! It's like playing a game of dodgeball on the highway, except nobody signed up for that. Neither vehicle was paying attention to safety while on the move. This SUV driver definitely deserves a ticket and should take full responsibility for reversing on the highway. This driver, clearly battling sleepiness and fatigue, crashed right into the guardrail. Remember folks, always drive alert. Your nap can wait, but your safety can't. The truck dropped its load on the highway because it wasn't secured properly, but the driver decided to double down on his mistake by reversing to clean up the mess.
本身你拉货不固定好就是已经错了，跑高速你得固定，你这个跑掉了之后，你还错上它加速，还倒车，高速公路倒车违法行为，啊，罚款200元记车。
That concrete mixer is getting hoisted to some serious heights. It's like it's auditioning for a high-flying construction job. Hope it packed its parachute. The black sedan missed the light by just 1 second, but the truck behind? Totally oblivious to the signal. It's like a game of red light, green light, where someone forgot to pay attention. This truck driver has an ironclad mentality, like they're steering through life with the confidence of a superhero. Nothing can shake their focus. Two truck drivers on the road, both thinking the other knows what they're doing. Spoiler alert, they don't. Always remember to engage the parking brake when you step out and turn off the engine, unless you want your car to roll away and audition for a runaway vehicle movie. This crane miscalculated its safe working load, proving once again that math isn't always its strong suit. Talk about an engineering oversight. Now that's what we call a heavy mistake. With the slippery road conditions, that long truck definitely needed a wheel loader to play the role of its trusty sidekick, keeping it steady from behind. It's like having a safety net, because even trucks need a little backup sometimes. That lumber truck flipped right over in the middle of that beautiful blue water. It It's like it wanted to take a swim but forgot to check for life vests. That truck driver must have been totally caught off guard when the ground decided to act like quicksand. Can you guess if this wheel loader will manage to pull itself out of that sticky situation? It's like watching a game of mechanical tug-of-war. Will it be a victorious escape? That excavator is completely buried, with its tracks stuck in the ground. It's like it decided to play hide and seek but forgot to come out. That truck must have had some wobbly work days, balancing all sorts of loads like a circus performer on a tightrope. Talk about a precarious job. Sometimes, a little harmless fun can lighten up life and make everything feel a bit easier, right? After all, laughter is the best stress relief. That was a major miscalculation while trying to tow that white car, wasn't it? Looks like someone didn't account for the laws of physics, or common sense. That truck was hauling something heavy enough to need a little help from its friend, the wheel loader. It's like calling in a backup dancer for a heavy lifting performance. Teamwork makes the dream work. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.